Hello, third graders. Welcome back. Mrs. Smith here. This is Unit 1, Lesson 8, which is on page 39 of your math book. And we're talking about patterns with our nines as one of our factors in multiplication. So here you can see the picture of our math board. You can take that out and mark along as we're talking about things. If you have one group of 9, you have 9, which is 10 minus 1. If you have two groups of 9, 2 times 9, it's 18, which is also 20 minus 2. If you have three groups of 9, you have 3 times 9, which is 27, which is 30 minus 3. Four groups of 9, 4 times 9, 36, which is 40 minus 4. Five groups of 9, 5 times 9, 50 minus 5, or 45. Now I'm going to pause right there. I want you to think about, why am I even talking about this subtraction problem for each of one of these? Why do you think I keep bringing that up? What have you noticed so far? Think about what you know about the number 9. It's one less than what? The number 10. Now 10s are super easy with multiplication because it's just like that number of 10s, right? So like 2 10s is 20. When you're multiplying things by 9, it's really helpful to keep that nearby 10s fact in your head. But rather than having 10 groups of that, you only have 9 groups of that. So you got to take away one of whatever the factor that you're multiplying against the 9 or with the 9. Take away one of those, and then your answer for the 9's fact will be the same as whatever it was for the 10's fact, taking away one group. I know it sounds complicated. It's really not that crazy. Another thing I want you to notice, look at our, in 1 times 9 through 10 times 9, look at our digits. What do they all add to? This is really here 0 10s and 9 1s. It adds to 9. 8 plus 1 adds to 9. 2 plus 7 adds to 9. 3 plus 6 adds to 9. 4 plus 5 adds to 9. 5 plus 4 to 9. 6 plus 3 to 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 9 plus 0 is 9. All of these, when you add up the digits, equal 9. Also, you'll notice the tens place is all increasing, and the ones place sort of decreasing from 9 down to 0 and from 0 up to 9. 9 is so fun. It's so full of many fun patterns, and we're going to talk about one cool trick you can do with your fingers, but I'm going to keep going here. I think we got to 5 times 9. So 50 minus 5 is 45. 6 times 9, 60 minus 6, 54. 7 times 9, 70 minus 7, or 63. 8 times 9, 80, take away 8, 72. 9 times 9 is 90, take away one group of 9, right, which is 81. And 10 times 9 is 10 times 10, take away 110, so 100, take away 10, which is 90. So you can use this to begin your practicing, because remember, you're practicing these every day, so you can build your fact fluency. Now, I don't want you to be confused by what I'm about to go over. It's this fun trick to do with your hands. Now, if it makes sense to you, awesome. But if it doesn't, you can go the rest of your life without fully understanding this trick. But I do think it's really neat and really fun. So, I'll read the page and then we'll practice it together. Math tools. Quick nines multiplication. You can use the quick nines method to help you multiply by 9. Open your hands and turn them so they are facing you. Imagine that your fingers are numbered like this. Okay, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To find a number times 9, bend that finger, bend down the finger for that number. For example, 4 times 9, bend down the fourth finger. So you count from the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Boop. Bend that one down. And then the number of fingers you have to the left of your down finger is your number of tens. 30. the number of fingers you have to the right of your down finger is your number of ones, 6. So 4 times 9 is 36. Pretty cool. All right, so it says the same thing right here. The fingers to the left of your bent finger are the 10s. The fingers to the right are the 1s. For this problem, there are 3 10s and 6 1s. So 4 times 9 equals 36. Well, why does this work? Well, because 4 times 9 is equal to 4 times 10 minus 1, which is equal to 40 minus 4, which is 36. So you have 10 fingers, right? If you're moving one finger down, now you have 9 fingers up. So it's going to add to 9 total, whatever the digits are. And then as you're increasing your number of your factor, it's scooching that along down the road. So don't stress about it if you're confused, but I think it's pretty cool. We can practice another one. Let's do 9 times 2. 1, 2. 1, 10. 8 1s. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend that one down. 4 10s. 5 1s. 9 times 5 is 45. Let's do 9 times 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 10s, 0 1s, 90. Okay, now, even though the page ends there, you are not done, because what you have to do right now, if possible, which I hope it is you need to practice some of these. So you need to give your book to somebody else. You need to say, I need you to quiz me on my 2s, 5s, 9s, and 10s multiplication facts. And they're going to say, okay, 2 times 10, and you say 20. And if you don't say 20, ask them to tell you the fact after if you get it wrong. So 2 times 10 is 20, and then you say back, 2 times 10 is 20. All of that practice, it builds connections between the cells of your brain, and it makes it easier to retrieve these facts. And later in the rest of 3rd grade and beyond, it'll be super helpful to be quick about them. So I'm going to stop talking. I want you to go find someone in your home or make an appointment. If somebody's busy, say, okay, when can we practice? When would work for you, right? And then you can have that practice time, and it should be part of your daily routine, okay? All right, that's it from me. See you later. Check and see if you have an assignment. Bye-bye, everybody.